The WISSIPRO electric pressure washer WPW-1001 offers outstanding cleaning power with a pressure of 5,000 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 3.5 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling tough dirt and grime. Equipped with 4 nozzle options, this pressure washer provides versatility for different cleaning tasks, allowing users to choose between 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree spray angles. The 20-foot pressure hose and 35-foot power cord provide ample freedom of movement, so users can easily reach all corners of their cleaning area without constantly repositioning the unit. A convenient foam cannon is included, enhancing the washer's cleaning capabilities by allowing for easy application of soap or detergent, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Designed with user convenience in mind, the WISSIPRO electric pressure washer is both powerful and easy to maneuver, making it suitable for a variety of home cleaning projects. The robust build and thoughtful features of this pressure washer reflect WISSIPRO's commitment to quality and performance in outdoor power tools.